Jina yangu ni Victor Kanyari, Baba Sky. Hii ndio tribute yangu. Today, I honor and remember Mama Sky, the mother of our children, Sky and Danny, a woman whose presence shaped not only their lives, but mine as well. We shared many moments together, some joyful, some challenging, but all meaningful. She was a woman of kindness, calm, strength. A woman whose love for her children never wavered. Our journey had its own challenges, yet it's all blessed us with beautiful memories, moments of laughter, shared dreams, and seasons of life that shape who we are today. These memories will forever remain special, part of my heart, and I will always remind me of a good we once shared. Above everything, Betty was a devoted mother. Her care, her warmth, her unwavering commitment to Sky and Danny are a gift they will carry with them throughout their lives. For this, I will always honor her. I'm grateful for the time we walked together, for the memories we built, and for the legacy she leaves in our children. Thank you for being a good mother. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the strength, grace you carried. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Your love will continue to shine through our children, Sky and Danny, today and always. God bless you.